In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online as a complete beginner just by watching YouTube videos and get paid $9 every 10 minutes. Yeah, I know there's a bunch of videos on YouTube that show you how to make money online. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new website that's going to pay you even if you don't get any sales or generate any traffic. And the best part is that it's 100% free and it's worldwide. And guys, if you stay till the very end of this video, at the end I'm going to show you how to build and launch your very own affiliate marketing business in just 3 days. And this will help you to make even more money online and potentially quit your 9-to-5 job and do this full time. Sound good? So let's get started. Okay, so Damien Belak back at the laptop, and today I'm going to show you a method that will make you over $55 per hour just by watching simple YouTube videos. Now I'm going to explain to you in detail step by step so everything is as simple as possible for you guys to understand. Now with this method you can get paid directly to PayPal, or you can use your Bitcoin wallet or your Ethereum wallet. You can get paid by cryptocurrencies. So if you don't have PayPal, it's completely okay. You can still get paid with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now before I get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button because we upload value bombs on this channel 2 to 3 times every single week. And also like this video to support this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now for this method, you need a PayPal account, a Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet that you're going to be receiving your payments to. Then you need a smartphone that you're going to be watching these videos on that are going to be making you the money. So with that being said, I'm not going to be selling you anything in this video. This is 100% free. So without further ado, let's get started right now. Okay, now so on YouTube, when you're going to be watching videos, for example, I don't make money for the amount of views I get. I get paid every time somebody watches my advertisement. So if, for example, if I click on this video, an advertisement will appear. Okay, so this is an ad, and every time this ad appears, I get paid. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing in this method. We're going to be watching videos. We're going to be watching video ads that are going to be paying us money. So for this method, we're going to be using the website ucubes.com. Now, as you can see, earn cash online for viewing websites, completing surveys, watching videos, and you can also promote your very own website. So let's scroll down. Let's see how you get paid. Now you can also refer your friends. So if you do affiliate marketing just like me, I can promote this website and I can earn up to 15% commission from your referrals and their referrals. Now we get paid. We're going to be doing viewing ads. Get paid to view websites and explore the internet. We're going to be watching the videos, earn money watching videos provided by the offer walls. We're going to be completing surveys, so complete online surveys and tasks in exchange for real cash. And we're going to be getting paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. So over 20,000 payments have been processed to date. So this is a legit website. So the first thing we're going to do is going to sign up. So click on the sign up button up here. It's completely free. And now here you can sign up for free. So all you have to do is complete your email address, password, full name, username, gender, date of birth, country, and how you heard about us. Now, very important step. What you want to do in the country down here, add United States, because if you do in the United States, it's going to automatically appear. It's going to show you offers that are in the US. Basically what this means, it's going to give you more options. Okay, so for example, I live in Slovakia, and uCubes is going to show me a lot less offers in Slovakia than in the United States. So just a quick hack, use the country United States. Now sometimes this doesn't work and you're going to have to use a VPN, but most of the time this works. So I'm going to speed this entire process up and I'm going to sign up just right in front of you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to click the button register. Now go to the email account that you signed up with and you should receive an email from uCubes, and all you have to do is click this link. Now once you click that link, you should be redirected to the login page and now you're good to go. So let's log in. Okay, and so this is your basic back office, your dashboard. Here are your earnings, Cube funds, and what this basically means is cubes are ads displayed on the ad board by value, highest to lowest. So the higher the value of your cubes, the higher its position, so more traffic. So you're going to be getting paid in cubes. Basically, let's go to earn right here. What you want to click now is view sponsored ads. So here are your sponsored ads, and you can view these ads twice per day. And they're simple 10-second ads, and as you can see, you're going to be getting paid this much to view those ads. So this is nothing. this is very, very little. You can do this if you want, but I don't do this myself. But what I do is I click on earn once again and go Peanut Labs offer wall. And now here I don't have any offers right now because sometimes when you complete all the offers, or sometimes just by time, by your country location, no offers appear. But basically you're going to be getting paid in cubes. So if an offer displays a payout of 2,000, you will earn £2. So now we're going to view more offer walls. Okay, so let's just see if there's anything active right now. Okay, so here are a bunch of offers available. So these pay 3,000 cubes and you will earn £3. So for example, we can do this survey and it's going to pay us 250 cube funds. So we can now complete all of these surveys that are available right now, and yeah, we can just basically complete all of these surveys and we're going to be paid the specific amount for that survey. Okay, so once again, I'm going to click on earn and go to AdSense media offer wall. So let's see what else is available. Now on this offer wall, you also get paid £3 per 3,000 cubes. So let's see, and you want to click on free. So basically these are going to be email submits and stuff like that, quizzes. So as you can see here, there's a survey that's gonna pay us 180 cubes, quiz 34, survey. So there's a bunch of offers right here that you can complete. This is a play the Mario Kart Tour. So this is a game, for example. This is the Cousin Royale. This is also a game. So when you download this game and you play the game, you get paid a small commission. Now you can load more offers, and basically all this is that you're going to be completing surveys every single day. Now you're not going to become a millionaire overnight with this. You're not going to become rich, but this can earn you an extra $50 for every single hour of your time every single day. So this is not going to make you rich, but this is a method that's going to earn you a nice side income online. Now guys, I hope you found everything clear that I explained today, and I want you to try this out for yourself and see how much you can make in an hour. Now I also promise that I will show you how to build and launch your business in just 3 days. So guys, what I want you to do is click the first link below this video and you're going to be redirected to a page like this. Now this is a 3-day training and you're going to be learning exactly step by step how to build your very own affiliate marketing business from scratch and quit your 9-to-5 job as soon as possible. So you're going to learn a simple 3-day process. So in day 1, you're going to get my simple but powerful tree system to make daily commissions online. You're going to watch me build a business in front of you step by step and click just in 30 minutes. And I'm going to show you guys in day 3 how I get thousands of eyeballs on your offers every day on autopilot without having to pay for ads, and how you can copy everything I use to create 6-figure business. So go ahead, make sure to click the first link below this video if you're actually serious about starting an online business. And you never know, in just 1 or 2 months down the line, you may quit your 9-to-5 job and do this full time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment what you think about this method.